Hi there traders, this is Steve Miley, Market Chartist for FX Explained, and in today's report we're going to be taking a look at the DAX future. The DAX, the German index, the future on the German benchmark index. Well, as we reported back on Friday when we took a look at the S&P 500, markets in here in more of a risk-off theme at the end of last week. Remember the German market in here and European markets, many European markets closed on Friday and playing catch-up on Monday, so gapping lower in here from the DAX. But we've had this more negative risk-off theme in here, particularly being driven at the end of last week and beginning of this week over the weekend by negative comments from the US government officials in here, particularly from Mr. Trump, President Trump, and also Pompeo in here regarding China and potential tariffs, potential retaliatory measures in here given because of on the back of the spread of coronavirus COVID-19. However, the markets gapped lower in here and then started to rebound straight away. So if we look at the S&P 500 as well, the S&P 500 US benchmark, we sold off on Friday, was open here on Friday, small gap lower and back up, closed that gap already and pushing higher. But going back to the DAX in here, we're pushing back into the gap. Obviously it's a bigger gap because we were closed on Friday, so pushing into that gap in here both yesterday and overnight in here and pushing higher. We're looking for that gap to be closed potentially today up to 10,756, and then potential higher prospects in here back up towards 11,000 and potentially above going into the week, back up to the cycle peak. We still see the bullish theme from this bullish breakout that we had above the cycle peak in here to a new cycle peak above this 10,811.5 level. And remember, we're moving into this really important bear gap from the middle of March. We went up into that gap back last week, so we're looking for a rebound back up into last week's sell-off range and then pushing back higher, potentially further out into the week. So a positive tone despite the negative start to the week that we had very early Monday, a more positive tone emerging now. This has been Steve Miley, Market Chartist for FX Explained. I'm going to wish you all a great trading day and please do be safe out there.